All right, so this is August 21st, 2025, New York session. Um, I took one trade only, and that was long on the Nasdaq, long on the Nasdaq. So I'm just journaling yesterday's trades. This is just me journaling yesterday's executions on the Japanese yen and gold. All right. So here's the video of today's trade. Up now. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, I started my video late, but that's all right, I guess. So what do I do? I want to draw. So here it is. I started my video late. Now, what I'm looking at here is very simple. So this is the opening range. The opening range was already set both on the S&P and the Nasdaq. There was news today. I don't remember the news. Doesn't matter really. But I was looking for possible longs, right? I was looking for a bullish daily candle. Still looking for a bullish daily candle. So if you look at here, um, the Asian session highs and London highs are equal highs. Not only that, but we have Sydney, an Asian session range with a manipulative move on the London side or on the London session. So I'm looking for, yeah, manipulation below London for a just a move higher. If price manages to close about those equal highs today, tomorrow's going to be a banger. But anyways, my bias was long for the day, and I was looking for longs and only longs, man. So, right here, what am I looking at? Opening range. So failure to move close, to move lower on the opening range. So trapping long, short. If price had, just broken with 40 opening range and came back, I'm not sure I would have taken those shorts, given that my bias was long, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have taken them. So, um, so no trade still. We are looking at 10 a.m. So we have a possible 10 a.m. manipulation too, right? Yeah, let's move forward. So I was bullish here. Hold on. We need to look at what the hell happened here. Yeah, not only, but what happened here? So I was looking at this, very strong, um, manipulation below the previous lows, creating a very interesting divergence with the S&P 500. So here I'm looking at the 15-second chart. Here I'm looking at the 1-minute chart. Should be the same. It really doesn't matter if I'm not looking at the 15-minute second here, because really what I'm looking for is just divergence on the S&P 500 when I'm executing on the Nasdaq. So I know this is an eval, right? But this is why I sized up to 10 contracts, risking about $1,200 here, because I want to pass it fast. But yeah, I took that on Project X, of course, and on Trade of Eight. Well, I just like to. I mean, I think move all my accounts here to Ninja. I just dig it a ton, you know, on exit, how to, on execution and everything. So yeah, I took only two contracts on this fund account on top one futures. But anyways, what I saw here is a very nice money line break after that manipulation and a V-shaped recovery. Everything was pointing out for longs here, boys. And here is my first TP, the highs. So what did I do here? I just let it ride, to be honest with you. Let's go forward. So right there, I'm up $745, and yeah, that's quite a bit for for an evil, and because I was looking for a break of the opening range highs to print to go liquidate those equal highs, London and Asia highs. I was happy taking that here and just writing three contracts, taking two at the opening range high, and then writing one towards at least this 15-minute high. Right. So that was the idea. That was the idea. Now, I should have executed seven higher, but that's okay, I guess. That was a little bit emotional, not waiting for targets, but I hadn't placed, I hadn't placed stop losses or targets on this trade. So that's a red flag too. So I executed three here, and yeah. Now I put my stop losses in place, and I'm gonna put two on the limit side and three on the stop side because yeah, because my idea here was to ride two towards the open range highs, and then on a force or on a breakout, just ride the rest towards at least that 50-minute high, right? That was the idea. That was what I'm looking for. Absolutely not what I executed. Um, when I executed this seven, uh, this seven contract short, and then went on to Project X, and I closed my position right there. Why? Because not only we were at target one, but we were at VWAP. So I executed that, and yeah, we ended up rallying a little bit and then dipping, whatever. But it's okay. That was, I mean, I could have executed one, but this is where I get payouts, so no, that's I'm fine with the win. So there we go. Then I executed when I closed my position on top one, I executed two more here, and just had one for a possible break. I ended up just taking the whole thing at opening range highs, to be honest with you, which should have been, the idea from the first, from the start, right? Uh, Overall, nice trade. Nothing to say other than that executing seven here was emotional because I was looking at the P&L, even though this was an evil. But that's okay, I guess. That is fine, I guess. Hold on. All right, so let's get out of here. And all right.